Hi guys, it's Mrs. Scott Dunda. I just wanted to say hi and tell you about this week's artwork. We're going to use Mr. Irizarry's holiday theme to start some artwork wrapped around Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night. So let's go ahead and look at the quick PowerPoint and then I'll tell you what you're going to do. So we have been thinking about Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. Van Gogh painted Starry Night with oil on canvas, and he was from the Netherlands in Europe. There's another video you can watch later about his bio that I did. He was a gifted impressionist painter who used light, dashed lines, and swirling brushstrokes to create movement in his art. Here you see on the background the actual mural that we're working on in class for the UTC Mall. And you can see that we've used the Starry Night theme, but we're adding some holiday elements to it, like trees and ornaments, wreaths, lights, reindeer, stars, these sorts of symbols, right? For the holiday to signal snowflakes and snowmen and a change of season. Okay, so Van Gogh saw things in a special way with his eyes. He saw things other people see, but he saw it slightly differently. Scientists, even at NASA, right, have studied his painting. They actually believe what he may have seen is something called turbulent flow of fluid dynamics, which is the science of visual movement. He was actually seeing the blurred lines and the light as it traveled in the early morning dawn. Okay, um, so mathematicians have actually done calculations on his artwork compared to visual movement that they can measure in the sky, and it matches up. Unlike other paintings that use similar reference, they do not match up mathematically. So they think that Van Gogh is actually seeing exactly what he was painting. Here's a link to a TED Ed talk in the PowerPoint, and if you want to um, look in Schoology later or copy it here, it goes over some of that, the science and the math behind it. Excuse me. So here are some of our students working on the Starry Night, our themed holiday version. So you're going to do a really small version of that today and this week. And you're doing it at home remotely, so well done. We can see the swirling lines here, all the dashed lines we've talked about before. Here's some holiday elements, and you can add those at your leisure. Okay, so final slide. Let's add the holiday details to Starry Night. Mr. Irizarry is ready for the holidays. I think we all are. And to complement his music program, we need to add some holiday details to our Starry Night artwork. Let's watch these videos that I've created on how to draw a holiday tree. You're going to add some light, snowflakes, a snow person, any other elements that would complement your theme. So you're going to draw the Starry Night. There's a holiday tree, some candy houses, ornaments. Of course, we have our rubric, and just like we use in class, 3, 2, 1, outlining 5 or more colors, no white space. And then there's a older Van Gogh bio if you want to look at that. If not, that's fine. So I look forward to seeing some of your artwork. You can class dojo it to me. Wait until next week and show it to me in person. Take a picture of it and send it to me and email it to me either way. I hope you have a great couple days of e-learning remotely during our big storm here, and stay safe, and I will see you later.